For the implementation of these orders, we had to approach government machineries because these government authorities are going to take out the letters and implement these orders. So we met relevant ministers, relevant secretaries multiple times, almost maybe 15 to 60 times we met in Mantralaya. After 1 year, we came to know that these political, as sir said, these forces are not going to help us. Because these people see the number game or voters game, they play the voters game, and accordingly, so we left them away, and we started approaching our district level authorities like district collector, DHO, civil surgeon, as well as medical officers and police. We sent in that on 1st April 2008, we approached district collector of Kolhapur. The district collector given good order to the DHO, then given order to THO that if survey all the laboratories, they collect the data of all laboratories. If you find any illegal in that, then file an FIR. With this, we sent letters to all districts in Maharashtra, DHO, SP, then district collector, as well as civil surgeon, and after that, for the follow-up, we sent alternators. Almost till now, we have sent around 3,000 alternators. I thank Anna Hazare for taking this act, Right to Information Act. Because for people like us who don't have large manpower, and if you want to get it done from the government machinery, this is the only act which works. It takes time, but it gives the results. After that, we could collect authentic information from this government machineries. How many labs are there, who are certifying the reports, who are doing the tests. So we have almost 60 to 70% data collected from government authorities, which state government doesn't have. After this, there are certain FIR places like in Vasai, then Parvani, then Nanded. As actions were, government always started taking actions. Government tried to amend the Maharashtra Medical Practitioner Act 1961 to protect these illegal people from the traffic. Actually, these people who are doing medical practice without registration to MMC, Ayurvedic Council, Dental Council, or Homeopathy Council, they are participants. So, government was trying to amend the Maharashtra Medical Council, the definition of medical practice. But with denial of law and judiciary department, they couldn't succeed in that. And after that, the government issued an ambiguous letter, which actually was taking out court's order, but in last lines, it was written not to take action or take action those who are giving reports. It's like something. So the implementing or administrative officer couldn't understand what to do. And after that, for the clarification, again we sent the letters. So for this clarification or for the reading between lines, we had to send letters to Maharashtra Medical Council, then Medical Education Department, Mantralaya, then DMER, and actually the right is with Maharashtra Medical Council, and Maharashtra Medical Council always supported us. They give everything in clear words. Then we filed a contempt petition against 20 of such technicians, but with some due to some technical results. The reasons were हमें रिपोर्ट देत नाही, हमें रिजल्ट एनालिसिस शीट देतो. There is no such a terminology in any book, result analysis sheet. Result analysis sheet is there in pathologist laboratory. Technician writes the report on a sheet or in a register. That is a result analysis sheet. So these people tried to confuse the code, and they have given that these are not doing practices. So they are escaped from the contempt petition. But in that contempt petition, in 8th para, it is written by the court that even though these are escaped from contempt court, this doesn't mean, or it should not be construed from this, that what acts they are doing is illegal. The legality should be checked in some other procedure. So it means these come under bogus Doctor Act or PACT. After contempt petition, again government took an ambiguous order. But after that, in Gondia, in response to one LAQ, one civil surgeon has filed FIR against this illegal laboratory under PACT or bogus doctor. And these papers were presented in the house. So the civil surgeon did was right, and that's why what we are doing, what we are saying is also right, and this is accepted by the government, this is accepted by the court. But till now, government is not taking out a clear cut on. So that we have to unite, we have to target these people, we have to complain in police. These are the agendas we should keep. And so after this, association has to come to the conclusion that filing FIR against this illegal act is the only solution, so that in last before 2 years, we have started filing FIR. We filed FIR in Karad, there were three laboratories were closed, then Parvani, then Nanded. After that, to counterattack this, or to slow down this process of closing the labs, they have attacked us. 3 pathologists from the Karad, including me, were complained in police, they lodged a false complaint of atrocity, and we were banned back for 1 day. After that, in before last season, means for last one and a half year, we again wrote letter, we clarified everything, and we are now in a situation, we have everything legally, we have everything in writing. We could find out under RTI the ambiguous data taken out, how it was taken out. There was a meeting in Ministry Chambers with some officials in Mantralaya and members of Technicians Association. Technicians Association have given draft. This the notification should be like this, and that is accepted by the government, and government has taken it as a notification. See how funny these people acting against doctors. So that has been clear, and after in last 6 months, we have started acting aggressively, unitedly. We are taking all the reports, and we are filing the FIR. In last 6 months, we have given lectures in MAPPM, Jalgaon, then lecture in State IMA conference at Ahmednagar. Then we have given lecture in APCON, Aurangabad. Also in GBM of IIPM, it has been mandated that IIPM will support for this cause. Then we have filed FIR against in a Panvel against a technician who was illegally using pathologist's name. In complaints of pathologists who are signing at multiple places has been made by our association to the MMC, and MMC has proactively taking action against them. We had discussions with various officials in various departments like FDA, Secretary Public Health, etc. And our member, Dr. Jagdish Keshkar, is on the CA drafting committee. After that, media approached the association in this issue. We all have read DNA news in Mumbai. After that, they have given unbiased and proper coverage to this issue. After this news, MMC also took an action against pathologists who are signing the reports. We approached Indian Medical Association because these are our colleagues, members of IMA. Some of them are patronizing this illegal cause. So we approached IMA. We convinced all the details of the issue, and IMA President and Secretary took the decision to take out a letter for the awareness of IMA members. In last week only, the letter is circulated to all members of IMA that they should not associate with illegal people, and they should not patronize the people who are running illegal laboratories. This is the scenario. In between, our association was, all members are saying that the association is sleeping now, it is not doing any active work. But during that period, we are clearing the documentary things, like we are taking out the document, and now we are on the front, we have everything with us, and now we are taking decisions, and we are acting dynamically. What there are certain expectations, as Tauri sir said, we should unite, we should act according to law, we should not sign the reports or sign at multiple labs when you are not present there. And last and important thing, for all this activity, we need money, we need funds. So we should donate money, we should increase the membership of the association. Thank you.
Where we can see a concrete surface. Of course, everyone, when they get good roads, they have to pay a toll. So we expect that. But this will be a transparent toll, not like the one that the government is. So with that, I would like to take this opportunity to. We've now got the history of what this association has gone through and where we stand today. Jagdish Keskar has been at the forefront of this fight since 2002, and he has the amount of reading and the amount of analysis of legal documents that he's done. I don't think any lawyer also has done. So he's the best person today who can guide us, who can tell us as to actually what acts and facts are applicable to us in our day-to-day practice. So without any further delay, I would like to invite Dr. Jagdish Keskar to please come forward.
I would like to thank Dr. Tauri for a very inspiring speech. I think this will be an eye-opener for every pathologist and also for our association. Thank you. The illegal and unethical pathology laboratories are so common in our society that it is really very difficult to believe that there are laws and there are rules regarding the conduct of pathology. These practices are by and large ignored by our regulatory authorities and patronized by our own professional colleagues. For a small, only for the monetary benefits of small lobbies, only for the monetary benefit of small lobbies, the society at large is put at health risk. And we expect somebody should do something, police should do something, health authorities should do something. But what is our stand and what we should do? Thanks to Medical Council of India for giving me the right to expose this unethical and incompetent and dishonest behavior on part of my professional colleagues. And Medical Council of India has given me the right. Dr. Tauri already said you develop your inner strength and you have to do a lot of things. So we are doing that. Are really rules existing about the conduct of pathology laboratory or not? So we are going to see this in the current presentation. The first, I want to put some disclaimer. This is that nothing contained in this presentation is a stretch of imagination or ideality. They are only facts, and they are documented facts. They are legal facts. They are definitive guidelines framed by authoritative guidelines. So that we should not ignore them after finishing this presentation. We should not say it will be bakra tha. That should not be there. pathology practice is basically a practice of specialty of modern scientific medicine. We know in India there are many types of systems of medicine. One is allopathy, that is modern scientific medicine. Second is Indian system of medicine that constitutes Ayurveda, Unani, Tibba and Siddha, and homeopathic practice of medicine, and some naturopathy and some types of again systems are there. So pathology is a part of modern scientific medicine, and that too a specialty of modern scientific medicine that is very well cleared by Medical Council of India. That is not a general practice of modern medicine. There are some, while studying these rules and regulations about pathology laboratory, conduct of pathology laboratory, we have some definitions: pathology laboratory, pathologist, what is the role of technician. Everybody thinks that pathology is a paramedical branch and technician can work under physician and support him. It is not like that. Role of regulatory authorities is also there, and there is role of society also. Pathology laboratory is a place where human blood, body fluids, tissue specimens are examined. It is an in vitro examination of patient only. As doctor examines patient by inspection, palpation, percussion and auscultation method, this is an extended method of examination of patient which is done in vitro using physical, chemical and microscopic methods, and to arrive at diagnostic and prognostic conclusions. Pathologist is in charge of that laboratory. That laboratory is his own clinic. It is just like a physician's clinic.